Guys, today we're just in a Blacksroot game. Yeah, a really normal Blacksroot day. Wait, it's night. So yeah. Oh my, I forgot to screenshot. I finally have it. The mythical sword. So yeah, let's get with the accidentally forgot to screenshot. I don't know why I'm gonna screenshot it, but I don't know. Just keep sipping. I'm lagging. I'm really lagging. Damn, this is cool. But I'm really laggy. Why am I lagging? So yeah, I think it will be really easy to get it master. So yeah, I'm stuck. Okay, we have 50 master now, but I'm stuck. I don't know where I'm stuck at, but let's try get out of here. I hope I'm not stuck the whole video. Oh, wait. So yeah, let's get your review. See you in all world, guys. All world. So hey guys, I'm here in old. Let's get your review now. This will be really epic. I cannot enter the door. Never mind. So yeah, let's talk to this guy. Let's get your V2. And let's go to Snow Village And let's talk to Ripindra. So yeah guys, we're here. Damn, that's epic. I don't know what to say to this guy. So guys, don't mind me, I'm just laughing. Cause so yeah, we got the sun quest. Let's find the thing. Wait, it's not here. Let's turn on fast mode. I totally forgot where. Oh yeah, found it. So yeah, after this, we're going to Sky Island. So hey guys, see you there. So hey guys, we're at Sky Island. You need to break this green door. Wait, did I acquire it? So hey guys, see you in Marineford. So hey guys, if you're in the Marineford, just go to the back of it and break this thing. So this will take long. Yeah, so this will really take long. I think it's here. Let's find it quick. I hope it's here. I think it's here. I hope. So yeah, let's break it again. Wait, a dead end. Where is it? Where's the thing? Oh, found it. Okay, let's reset. So after just reset, you're gonna need to go back to the house thing. In this house, and talk to Robot Mega again. And he hacked my Dark Blade. So yeah, let's check out the version 2. It's a bigger and bigger move. So yeah guys, that's it. Don't forget to join my Discord server. So bye guys.